Using Google Cloud Console for free involves leveraging the Google Cloud free tier and carefully managing your usage. Here's a guide to get started. Sign up for Google Cloud. Go to the Google Cloud Console and sign in with your Google account. If you're a new user, you can sign up for the Google Cloud free tier, which provides $300 in free credits for the first 90 days. Set up billing. Navigate to billing in the console. Enter your billing information to activate the free credits. Ensure you set up alerts and budgets to monitor your spending and avoid unexpected charges. Explore free tier products. Check the Google Cloud free tier to see which services are available for free, including Compute Engine, Cloud Storage, and BigQuery. Utilize these services within their free usage limits to avoid charges. Create and manage resources. Use the IAM and admin section to manage access and permissions. Deploy resources such as virtual machines or databases, ensuring you stay within the free tier limits. Monitor usage. Regularly check the billing and monitoring sections to check your resource usage and ensure you're using free services effectively.